Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I am very excited to start my seeds indoor, such as the tomatoes and peppers. I have plenty of varieties of tomatoes and same with the peppers to give it a head start for the spring. For those who don't know me, my name is Rica, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you like to receive my new updated video, subscribe on my channel and hit the like button, and please hit the notification as well. So you might wonder what this container is doing in front of me. So this is the bread and the muffin container, the yogurt, this is the drinkable one, and then the medication container. So the medication container, I use it to store my seeds. As you see, here are my tomato seeds. It's very useful because it's airtight. All you have to do, if you are taking medications, just clean this before you use it. Now this is the drinkable container. I use it to label my plants. I have one here that I already cut. So this is the one that I already cut. So all you have to do is write your label on it and stick it. So all I did with this is I cut it into pieces, and what I'm gonna do later is I'm going to write the name of the seeds and stick it on the dirt. And this is the one that we are going to use as a greenhouse of my seedlings. So we're just gonna pop some hole on this container. Oops. So make sure that you use a potting mix. And we're just gonna fill this potting mix. There we go. That's it. There we go. Now let's see what we got right here. So this is the beef steak tomato. So I make sure that I'm gonna put a label. Beef steak tomato. So today is February 24th. Let me see. Huh? Yep, today is February 24. Feb 24. So we're gonna put it right here. Oh, I think it's better if I put the date up there. We'll do it to the other one. So we're gonna put our beef steak tomato there. Well, there's a clumps right there. So right here is my beef steak tomato. There you go. That's it. That's about, I think, 10 seeds in there. So instead of throwing this drinkable yogurt, I use it as my label. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it. There you go. And then do that. There you go. Now I can use it as a label. So we're gonna plant some tomatoes in here. So I'm just gonna put the big beef tomatoes. So big beef tomato, big beef tomato. Today is February 24, 2022. So now I'm just gonna place it like that. Oh, that's beef steak. We're gonna do big beef. The big beef is right here. So this is the seeds that I have saved from previous season. So when you plant your tomatoes every season, make sure that you have some seeds to save for the next. There you go. Just place Few seeds in there. Oh, that's a lot of seeds right here. Oh, that's enough. There you go. And later we're just gonna put some dirt on top of it. So now we did the, oh, I made mistake for the big beef. So now the beef steak. There you go. So I'll just do that. Now we're gonna do a beef steak. Beef steak. Tomato Feb 24, 2022. I have placed the beef steak seeds already in here, so I'll just put the label right there. Now we're gonna do the San Marzano. So this is my San Marzano seeds that I have saved as well from the previous season. So we're gonna get our labeler. Got it. San Marzano. San Marzano. Feb 24, 2022. There you go. See that? As simple as that. You don't need to spend so much money to start your seedlings. Now we're gonna put the San Marzano seeds. So all of these seeds that I'm planting right now is all free. These all from the previous season that I have saved from the garden. So it doesn't need to be expensive. Everything that you can do, and this is all are free. The recycles, this plastic container that's from the muffin or the bread are free. Instead of throwing it, use it. So anyways, we're gonna put some seeds. Here you got the San Marzano seeds. And there you go. You get the San Marzano seeds. I can make 3 labels on this, out of this. There we go. So I am excited to see what this look like, because this is from the garden of my friend. She brought me her tomato, and it was a very nice large purple tomato. I'm thinking it was a Cherokee, but I'm not sure. So I'm excited to see how this come out, and I will give you an update. Same with the large green yellow tomato. I think it's like a striped big large tomato. So this is gonna be exciting. Alright, I'll put the label on it. So we're just gonna put large purple tomato. Large purple tom. Feb 24, 2022. I'm gonna put my friend's name in here so that I know it's from my friend Mala. There you go. Then I know that's the tomato that's from my friend. Just put it right here. There you go. And the other one is the large green zebra. I'll see zebra. Feb 24, 2022. I put my names on it. There you go. Now we're gonna do the sweet millions. Feb 24. Alright, sweet millions is here. So see, this is the medication bottle, or I mean container. So let's see. I have saved the seeds from my previous plant. Oh, won't come out. Let me see what's going on. There you go. They're coming out. Oh, I don't want to mix it there. There you go. I have few right here, but I need more. I only have 3 in there. right there. There you go. Alright. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna add soil on top of it lightly. Just gonna do that. There we go. So I just packed it a little bit. So yeah, add lightly soil on top and then just packed it. And now what I'm gonna do is time to water it. So I'll just spray it with water. There we go. Let's see first. Yeah, it's dripping already. So here we go. I have started my indoor tomatoes. Look at them. They look good. So we're just going to close it. So look at this. Very simple and easy, and you don't need to spend that much money. So here you go. I started my tomato seeds for free, except the potting soil, but it's not that bad. So I hope you find way as well to save some money when you start your seedlings. Container I am going to plant my peppers. I have at least 4 variety of peppers, and just getting ready for the dirt. Just pack it up a bit, and there we go. So in this container we are going to plant the hot pepper blend. It's called the hot salsa blend. This is the leftover of my seeds from previous year. So there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least there's 6 variety of hot pepper in this package. All right, so we're just gonna spread some seeds on the dirt. Let's see. Oh, here you go. There's like about more than 10 seeds in here. I like to maybe plant it right here. Right there. I think that's plenty actually. There you go. There you go. So better make our label. So hot salsa blend. Hot salsa blend. Feb 24, 2022. There we go. Oops. Oh no. This one has a slope. So I better put it right here. Right there. There we go. That's better. Or maybe right here. That's better right here. And then we're going to do the... Oh, my favorite. This is my favorite. The Santaka pepper. This is my favorite. So we're gonna put some in here. Maybe right here. A few right there. There we go. So we're gonna do the label right away. Santaka pepper. Santaka pepper. Santaka pepper. Here you go. And then we're going to do the, what is this? Oh wow, I tape it really good. This is look like a, it says keystone resistant giant. So we'll try this. Wow, little seeds right there. We'll do it right here, I think. Maybe this one right here. I just need few, and it's better to overseeds than less. That's keystone. Wow, that's a big name. Keystone pepper. Right here. I think that one is Santaka right here. There you go. And in here I have the indeterminate tomato, which is the cherry tomato. I have the chocolate tomato, and then the yellow pear-shaped tomato, and then the seeds that were given to me by my friend, which is indeterminate tomato as well. So I'm going to plant it, I think, in this row at the back. I'm just gonna make the label. Let's say chocolate tomato, chocolate tomato. 24. There we go. Oh, wow. Alright, chocolate. Let's come out. Chocolate. Okay, that's the chocolate tomato. There we go. Now we do the yellow tomato. Oh my. There you go. The yellow. Is it the yellow right here? Pear-shaped tomato? Yeah. Yeah, I don't need that much. Maybe out of the 10, I'm going to use 3 only. But sometimes if I have a lot of seedlings, I usually give it away to some of my friends. There we go. That's a lot. A few of those. There we go. There you go. Since I'm not using it right here, I'm just gonna use it to put some dirt on top. There you go. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. There we go. We have peppers and tomatoes in this container. Now we're just gonna water it. So here you go, my tomatoes and peppers. So I'm just gonna place it where the sun hits it. So this container, I really like this container because look at that, I have an instant greenhouse. Well, keep the seedlings moist and warm. Same with the other one. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!